you've put real work into building a unique e-commerce store full of products your audience will love. But if your content doesn't help people discover it or make them curious to browse, you're leaving real revenue on the table. The e-commerce store content focus inside Next Level Marketing AI fixes that. It gives the AI content writing assistant the store-specific details it needs to naturally reference your business within blog posts, make it easier for readers to discover your brand, and encourage them to check out what you sell. All right, let's build one together, step by step. First, log into your dashboard and head to the left-hand menu. Click on Add Content Focus, and that'll bring you right here. From the Content Focus type dropdown, choose eCommerce Store. That unlocks the right fields. For your Content Focus label, pick something easy to recognize. I'll go with Trailhouse Store. Now for store name, I'll enter Trailhouse. Next, we have store description. When filling this out, tell the AI what kind of store it is and perhaps who it's for. For example, I'll type online store offering curated outdoor clothing and gear built for comfort, utility, and packability. Perfect for campers, hikers, and weekend adventurers. For store category, add something short and clear like outdoor clothing and hiking gear. Finally, add store competitors. For this example, I'll use Hiking Guy. Once that's filled in, click Add Content Focus and you're done. You can now apply this content focus to any article in your content queue. Now let's see it in action. For this, I'll choose an article from my queue called What Every Beginner Hiker Gets Wrong About Clothing. I select the Trailhouse Store Content Focus and instruct the AI assistant to start writing the article. Let me read one quick excerpt from the completed draft so you can hear how it introduces the store in a useful way. Functional gear is built for outdoor use. It allows your body to breathe and move easily while keeping you dry when it rains or snows. Materials like polyester blends or merino wool wick moisture away from your skin, helping regulate temperature better than regular fabrics. Trailhouse makes it easy to avoid these mistakes by offering only gear designed for hiking and outdoor needs. Every product is chosen with performance in mind, not just appearance, so shoppers don't need to guess what will hold up outside. Their online store is simple to use, with clear descriptions that explain how each item works in real settings. Instead of wasting time trying different outfits that fail outdoors, you can go straight to reliable options at Trailhouse. The platform helps beginners find clothes that support every part of a hike, from cool mornings to sudden rainstorms, without giving up comfort. Just like that, your store shows up inside content that's already holding readers' attention, without you having to write a single promotional paragraph yourself. If you're ready to start building more buzz for your store, create your first e-commerce store content focus today and assign it to your next article. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.